Hey everybody, this is Naz, aka the Pup. Hope everybody's having a good day. Today's going to be our new segment, 5 charts in 5 minutes at 5 p.m. 5 and 5 at 5. And let's just get right to it. So Luckin Coffee, yeah, pretty wicked downturn this stock has taken. Let's jump on to the the daily first. And $51 down to less than $1. Geez, just about $1. So anyway, we got this gap. We have our anchored VWAP from $50. I don't know what that's gonna do, but not much to see on the daily chart. Just gonna have to go down a little further, dig a little deeper. 65-minute chart. What do we got? So we bottomed out over here like around 140. Have our anchored VWAP, which actually, shame on me, placed in the wrong spot. Let's take actually our volume by price. We'll move it over to the drop candle. Let's make a new anchored VWAP. So we've been riding this swing low, or gap down low, and closed over our anchored VWAP from our gap down candle. I think key level right now we want to get over is 445 to 480. If we can clear that level, we can retest the 728 level and then the 1065. No need to really look at the 5-minute chart. It's just kind of is what it is. So PSNL was on our last 5 and 5. A little bit of a tree shaking on this yesterday. Wicked bearish engulfing candle. I got stopped out right over here. And of course, we, gap up to $13 here, and then we're off to the races. So unfortunate, but we can revisit this. We can revisit it over 1425. No real reason to go through the charts. I'll go down to the 65-minute. And so we had that sell down and we gapped up today. So we do have a little bit of a gap that we need to keep in mind. But, it could be chop suey over here from 1326 to 1425. Do have a nice little flag pattern going on right here. So, maybe keep an eye on it. Airlines had a pretty good day. Delta Airlines, DAL, will go up to the daily. Just zoom out just to see what's going on. By the way, these blue lines here, this is the GapSnake. Really neat tool from TrendSpider. Basically auto-identifies the gaps for you, so you don't have to sit there and manually look for, number one, find the gap, and then draw it out. Time saver. Gotta love this platform. So we have our anchored VWAP from the swing high. We have the anchored VWAP from the swing low. We have our demand zone down here. We consolidated between this $20 and $27 level, bouncing around a little bit. And yesterday we had this nice peekaboo candle. This was our telltale candle. And off to the races today. So let's see if we can make our way up to the gap at $38. We'll drop in a little line here, and we'll put one at the top of the gap too. So let's see what we can do on this tomorrow. You want to take a quick look? We can look at the 65-minute chart. Just all it says is we had a really nice run up these last few days. Gap up, gap up, gap up. So it's a lot of strength here. Definitely keep an eye on it. So NIO, let's go up to the daily chart. Sorry for the background noise. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out. So I have all the windows open, getting that nice Brooklyn breeze. So NIO. Wow, let me tell you a story about NIO. Bag holder from right up around here. And, I was a little stubborn, to be honest with you. It doesn't happen often. I thought it was going to reverse. It never did. So what I wound up doing was, I believe I added here, and then I added here. And I believe I added here. And I've just been riding the wave. My average was down around 415, 430. So definitely took a little while, but I got paid yesterday, got paid today. Took a little off the top when we hit $6. So we did close over 585, which was our post-IPO floor. And I'm looking, I mean, there's definitely going to be some resistance in here, or potential resistance, but I'm looking for my next big target of 822, which is our IPO weekly ceiling. And lastly, let's talk about TTD. TTD we got in yesterday on the break of this 322 level, held overnight. Go down to the 65-minute. You could see we continued to run and sold off to the 8 EMA. I actually got out on this candle. Regretted it the next candle because we went back to 355 and then immediately took that regret back because we sold off. Now we did tap the 21 EMA. So tomorrow we're going to watch this EMA on the 65-minute. And if we retest and hold, this could be another entry to retest 350 and potentially break out. But of course, SPY has to cooperate. So that's our 5 and 5, guys and gals. I hope you've enjoyed this segment. Let me know any feedback, what you guys like, what you guys don't like. I'm open for criticism. So have a great night, and we'll catch you tomorrow in the market.